Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Red Switches keyboard is probably one of the most sought-after mechanical keyboards in the market, offering a unique typing experience that blends speed, responsiveness, and a satisfying tactile feedback. If you're a gamer, programmer, or simply someone who values a premium typing experience, understanding the nuances of red switches is crucial before making a purchase. This video will delve into the world of red switch mechanical keyboards, exploring their features, benefits, and what you should consider before buying one. Number 5. RK Royal KLUDGE RK61. It boasts a space-saving 60% layout, perfect for gamers and minimalists alike. Its compact size frees up valuable desk space for your mouse. Experience the linear feel of the red switches. They offer a smooth and consistent key press, ideal for both gaming and typing. Enjoy vibrant RGB lighting with multiple modes to personalize your setup. Plus, it's programmable with QMK via software for advanced customization. The ergonomic design minimizes hand fatigue, even during extended use. Its comfortable keycap design promotes natural hand positioning. It works seamlessly with Windows, Mac OS, and Android. We're here to help with any questions. Contact us for support within 24 hours. What we like. It boasts a compact design, perfect for those with limited desk space. The smooth, linear red switches are ideal for both gaming and office use. If you value a small footprint and customizable RGB lighting, this keyboard is for you. What people say. The new RK61 is configurable via QMK via and it is amazing. It's a sturdy, classy, fun keyboard. The keys are spaced like a traditional keyboard, so there is no awkward adjustment phase to worry about. Number 4. Redragon K556 RGB Keyboard. Get ready to experience the future of gaming keyboards. It's here, and it's packed with innovative features designed to enhance your gameplay. This keyboard is truly revolutionary. With its hot-swappable design, you can easily customize it to your liking, using almost any switch on the market. It boasts a sturdy aluminum base, providing a premium feel and ensuring stability during intense gaming sessions. The brushed aluminum surface adds a touch of elegance to your setup. Experience the smooth, quiet operation of the linear red switches. Enjoy effortless keystrokes and reduced noise, perfect for late-night gaming or work. Customize your gaming experience with up to 20 dazzling RGB backlighting modes. Adjust the brightness and speed to match your style. Unlock even more possibilities with our advanced software. Create custom macros and lighting effects to perfectly tailor it to your needs. What we like. This keyboard's hot-swappable switches allow for easy customization and upgrades. The aluminum base provides durability and stability. If you prioritize easy switch replacement and a quieter typing experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The keys feel so good and it's not overly obnoxious with the clicking sound like some other keyboards can be. The lights are also customizable when you download the software from Redragon. Also, I love the ability to be able to have this keyboard as wireless or wired, and the construction feels very sturdy. It has some weight to it and I love it. The switches are pretty good too. Not too loud, not too entirely tactile but really good for the money. It's hot swappable so regardless if you don't like them they can be changed. Came with extra switches just in case. Great build quality. With the brown key switches, the feedback is amazing. It's built extremely well, full metal casing, and nice, semi-glossy keys that feel very nice. Number 3. Redragon K582 RGB Keyboard. Get ready to experience the next level of gaming with this keyboard. Its smooth, responsive keys will elevate your gameplay. It features linear red switches, requiring less force for a smoother, easier typing experience. Perfect for both work and play. With 100% anti-ghosting, it accurately registers every key press, even during rapid inputs. Fully programmable for custom macros. Enjoy 6 backlight themes and 18 models to personalize your setup. Adjust the brightness to your liking. This keyboard is built with extreme durability, tested for 50 million keystrokes. The solid base and double injection keycaps ensure long-lasting performance. It's compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows and Mac. The gold-plated USB port guarantees a stable connection. What we like. It features a full-size layout with responsive red switches. The vibrant RGB backlighting enhances the gaming experience. If you need a standard layout with reliable performance and customizable lighting, this keyboard is a great option. What people say. This was a budget keyboard. It is very well made, has extra switches and a key puller, and the keys are not too high to get irritating. The keys are out emu red switches and not cherry red switches, but so far the function and feel are too similar for me to tell apart. Like any red switch, they are very easy to press and have the smooth downstroke with no bump. I've used this keyboard every day for 7 months, and it has not had a single problem or even a noticeable hiccup. Every key shifts properly, every RGB light still works perfectly, and there has never been a lag or issue in connection. The keyboard itself has a solid build quality along with a nice weight, which together makes for a solid and sturdy feel while in use. Number 2. SteelSeries Apex 7 Keyboard. Get ready to experience the ultimate in gaming performance. It's built with cutting-edge technology and premium materials for unparalleled durability and comfort. See at a glance what matters most. It seamlessly integrates with your favorite apps and games, providing real-time information right on the keyboard. This keyboard is built to last. Its robust construction ensures stability and durability for years of reliable use. Customize your gaming experience with 16.8 million colors per key. Make it truly your own with vibrant, personalized backlighting. Game in comfort with the included magnetic wrist rest. It provides full palm support for a more ergonomic and enjoyable gaming experience. Experience the satisfying feel and responsiveness of durable mechanical switches. Enjoy precise keystrokes and enhanced gaming performance. Stay connected and in control. It features a convenient USB pass-through and dedicated media controls for seamless multitasking. What we like. This keyboard stands out with its integrated OLED display for on-the-fly information. The aircraft-grade aluminum construction ensures longevity. If you want a premium feel and integrated information display, this is the keyboard for you. What people say. The keys feel very nice, not too loud, very smooth, just all around amazing. The customizable lighting of the keyboard is a big plus. I can change the colors according to my mood or the aesthetics of my setup. Strong build quality and lightweight. Keyboard functions as intended and I would recommend it. Number 1. Redragon K636 CLO Keyboard. Get ready to experience the ultimate in gaming and productivity with this innovative mechanical keyboard. Its compact design and customizable features will transform your workflow. It features a space-saving 94-key layout, including a numeric keypad, without sacrificing essential keys. Perfect for gamers and those who value efficiency. Enjoy stunning visuals with 20 preset RGB backlight effects and over 16.8 million customizable colors. Make it your own. Program your own key bindings, light effects, and macros for increased efficiency in work and play. It's all at your fingertips. Experience the satisfying clicky sound and linear feedback of the red switches. They're smooth, responsive, and perfect for fast-paced gaming. This keyboard works seamlessly with Windows, Mac OS, and iOS systems. Simply plug and play with the detachable Type-C cable. What we like. It offers a compact design with a numeric keypad, ideal for those who need number entry. The programmable keys allow for extensive customization. If you need a compact keyboard with a number pad and extensive customization options, this is a great choice. What people say. The keyboard looks good, the compact design is peak. Switches are linear red that seem responsive and quiet. The keys feel nice, thoughtful. The size is perfect for my retro gaming setup while still maintaining all the keys. The RGB lighting looks great at night, with plenty of presets built in. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.